Okay, let's look at word problems when we're talking about area and perimeter of polynomials. It says there's a rectangle with a width of 2x plus 4. Its length is 3 less than 2 times the width. Right expression for the area. Alright, let's draw a picture. I like to see visual stuff, so if I'm given a word problem and I want to visualize it, we'll go ahead and draw a picture. So my width is 2x plus 4. And then it says the length right over here is 3 less than 2 times the width. So 2 times 2x plus 4 minus 3. Let's go ahead and simplify that. Let me write that again. 2x plus 4 minus 3. I'm going to have to distribute that 2 in here. So I get 4x plus 8 minus 3. 4x plus 5. So my width, I'm going to write on this side, 4x plus 5. So here's my length and here's my width and my length. Write an expression for the area. Well, my area is when I multiply this and this. So let's go ahead and make a little box. Alright, it's a little small, so my numbers are a little cramped. So we have 2x plus 4 on one side, 2x and 4, and 4x and 5. 4x, 5. 4x times 2x is going to be 8x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. 4x times 4 is 16x, and 20 there. Middle numbers here are my peanut-like terms. 8x squared. What's that? 26x plus 20. There you go. That's an expression for the area of my rectangle. Box it up so we can find it. If the perimeter is 50, what is the width, length, and area of the rectangle? Okay, so let's find x. So this, my perimeter, let's use these for my perimeter. This side will be 2x plus 4, and this is 4x plus 5. Let's go ahead and find that expression for my perimeter. So 2x plus 4x plus 2x plus 4x is going to be 12x. This is my perimeter we're finding. And then I have 4, 5, 4, and 5. So 9, 18 plus 18. That's my perimeter. It says this is equal to 50. Go ahead and solve it. 12x equals, and then we're going to subtract 18 from both sides. So we have 50 minus 18, and that's going to equal 32. And then we have x is equal to 32 divided by 12. Eight over 3. Alright, now we're going to have to plug these back in here for my perimeter. Here's my perimeter equation up here. So I can, I know my perimeter, my width. So for 2x, I put 8 over 3 in here plus 4. This is my width. And I'm going to go ahead and use the calculator because I don't want to do that math. So I'm going to do 2 alpha y equals, and I'm going to do 8 over 3, close those parentheses, plus 4, and that's going to get us 28 over 3. That's wonderful. And the other one's going to be 4, and then my x is 8 over 3 plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and just copy this one so I don't have to do all that work. So we're going to change the 2 to a 4 and a 4 to the 5 here, and that's going to get us 47 over 3. So that's the length and the width there. And then my area, I'm going to plug that 8 over 3 into this expression there, or I could multiply these two. I guess I could do that. That times that, and that would be the area. Okay, so that was the area right here. So length width right there. So length 28/3, width is 28/3, length is 47/3, and area is 1316/9, 1316/9. And let's do the second word problem. I hope it is a little simpler. Jim has a rectangular fence to keep his cattle. The fence has dimensions of x and 2x. So if we have a rectangular fence, x by 2x, he has to expand the fence by adding a length of y to each side. So he adds a length of y here, and he's going to add a length of y here. So that is y and y right there. Write an expression that describes how much more fencing he would have to buy. So we're trying to figure out this. We're going to take this perimeter minus this perimeter. So we're going to take this big one, the perimeter of this one. So it's going to be 2x and y here, and x plus y there. So the whole outside one is going to be 2x plus y plus x plus y plus 2x plus y plus x plus y. Let's add all those up. X, so we have x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x. So that's 6x. Add my y's up, so y plus y plus y plus y is 4y. That's my perimeter of my large rectangle. And then we have to subtract. Well, I guess we could just, the way it's written, we're just adding this. It's not how much bigger. So we just need that length here. So we're going to then subtract 3x. And that's going to be 3x plus 4y. Okay, to compare the areas, we're going to have to multiply the big sides by the little sides to compare them and subtract. So I need to start with the area of my new big rectangle. So we have 2x plus y, and we have to multiply that times x plus y, and we have to subtract the area of the inside. Area of the small one is 2x times x, and we can go ahead and simplify that. Well, if we have 2x and y, then we have x and y here. We have 2x squared, 2xy, xy, y squared. So this part over here is going to be 2x squared. My peanut here is going to be 3xy plus y squared, and this is going to be 2x squared, but it's negative, so minus 2x squared. Luckily, those disappear, and my expression is going to be 3xy plus y squared. That's going to be my area, and this is going to be how much more fence we need.